In the evolving world of surface design, Stylum Industries stands tall as a global pioneer. With over 3 decades of innovation, a presence in more than 80 countries, and a diverse range of laminate and solid surface solutions, we shape spaces with scale, speed, and style. Before the process begins, here lies the brain behind the brawn, Stylum's central admin and coordination hub. It's from here that production, planning, innovation, and global dispatch are seamlessly aligned. Now we begin with Stylum's decorative laminate plant, the heartbeat of our manufacturing. We start at the store section, where raw materials are organized for continuous production flow. From here, we move into the quality section, where incoming materials undergo detailed checks to ensure compliance with Stylum's quality benchmarks. In the resin section, in-house synthesis of phenol and melamine formaldehyde resins ensures strong bonding, consistent quality, and high performance across all core layers. Next, core and decorative papers come alive. In high-speed craft dryers, over 54,000 cores are cured daily using 12-zone drying, enhancing strength and resin stability. Then, in the design dryer section, precision-controlled dryers handle decorative papers efficiently, ensuring smooth, high-volume output. In the AC room, controlled environmental conditions ensure stability of design paper and consistency in processing. From here, the process advances to the press line. Here, heat, pressure, and engineering unite. With 28 daylight openings, the largest hydraulic press capacity in India, sheets are bonded layer by layer, creating laminates that are tough, smooth, and timeless. This is where performance gets pressed into every panel. This is followed by the sanding and cutting section, where each laminate is now sanded, trimmed, and aligned with precision, ready to become the surface of someone's story. Finally, in the inspection section, before dispatch, every sheet is scrutinized for finish, texture, thickness, and consistency. Only when it meets Stylum's signature standards, it moves forward. Next, we enter Stylum's pioneering hot coating plant, the first of its kind in India. In this dedicated unit, cutting-edge imported technologies enable 3 premium finishes. Designed for brilliance and durability, this plant delivers up to 1 million sheets annually, ensuring uniformity, scratch resistance, and seamless surface aesthetics. We now move to the acrylic solid surface plant, where engineering meets design flexibility. The first in India to establish a 100% acrylic production line for bendable, repairable, and thermoformable surfaces. Crafted for both beauty and durability, these surfaces are ideal for contemporary interior applications. Next, our short-cycle press unit supports rapid, large-volume production of pre-laminated MDF boards, built for speed, strength, and dimensional accuracy. In addition, our in-house digital printing and CNC cutting facility supports custom compact laminates, rapid prototyping, and design-specific production with exceptional detail. Warehousing and logistics. From there, materials move to our organized warehousing and dispatch zone. Equipped with fully mechanized forklifts and barcode-based tracking, we ensure timely and accurate deliveries across the globe. Stylum is a future-ready ecosystem where we're reshaping how the world experiences design.